Hello and welcome to Math Made Easy with BONOLO. In today's lesson, we will be looking at the law of sines. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure to click the button and the bell to make sure that you catch me next time when I upload the video. In today's lesson, we are going to focus on finding the area of triangle using sides and included angle. So we're going to use the law of sines. And we're also going to use the law of sines to solve triangles. The word for today is law of sines. Okay, let's start with the area, like we said in the outcomes. If you want to find the area of a normal triangle, you say the area is given by half base times the height. But then if we look at this triangle, if we are given an included angle A, then we can be able to use sine to find h. And this will be opposite divided by the hypotenuse. So we can be able to solve and find h. All right? So for you to be able to use the area, the rule is 1 over 2 BC multiplied by sine A. So if you have the angle A, the included side should be side B and C. If you have angle B, you have A and C. If you have C, you have A and B. All right, let's look at the example and you'll be able to understand the explanation of how we get to use the area formula to find the area. Okay, cool. Find the area of triangle ABC to the nearest 10th. In angle ABC, A, as you can see, is 8 centimeter, okay, because it's opposite of angle A. B is 9 centimeter, and C, angle C is 104. So, area will be given by 1 over 2, right? We have A and B sine C, which is our angle. This will be equal to 1 over 2. Our A, as we said, it will be 8. Our B is 9. And then sine 104. Okay, let's go ahead and see. If you put this in a calculator, 1 over 2 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 9, and then sine 104. This should give you 34.9. So we will say 35 because they said round to the nearest 10. So it will be 35. It will be 35 as our answer, centimeter squared, because we're talking about the area. Okay, this was very easy. I hope you understand it. Let's try another example. So here we have a triangle ABC. Okay, if A is 31, B is 18, as C is 22. Find the area. So we know we're looking for our area, which is given by 1 over 2. We have B, C as the side, and then sine A, which is the angle that we have. So we will have 1 over 2. Our B is 18, so we multiply by 18. Our C is 22, and sine 31. So go ahead and put this in a calculator. You press 1 over 2, and then multiply by 18, multiplied by 22, sine 31. This will give you 101, okay, 0.9. So if we round it off, it will be 102 centimeter squared. Okay, now let's look at the sine rule. The sine rule was derived from the area rule. So the area rule, as we've learned it, goes like this, okay? So if you multiply all the sides by 2, then we have this part, okay? Then we divide by ABC, ABC, ABC. This will give us our sine rule, which is sine A divided by side A, sine B divided by side B, sine C divided by side C. So you can use any of the two sides to find the missing angle or to find the missing side. Let's go ahead and try it. So as we can see in this triangle, we are given angle C and side C. And we are given angle B, but we don't have side B. So we can go ahead and find side B using the sine rule. Okay, so we will say B divided by sine B is equal to C divided by sine C. What is my B? I don't know the B, so I write B. And then so sine, my B is 45. This will be equal to my C is 3 divided by sine 18. So we can go ahead and multiply both sides by sine 45. So I'll come here. B will be equal to 3 divided by sine 80 multiplied by sine 45. Okay. B will be equal to, let's put it in the calculator, 3 divided by sine 80 multiplied by sine 45. This will give us 2.15. So this side will be 2.15, or we can just leave it as 2 because they said round to the nearest tenth if necessary. Okay, so this will be our answer. Now, in the same question, if you want to find angle A will be 180. So angle A is equal to 180 minus 45 minus 80. Angle A will give you 55. And you can go ahead, use the sine rule to find side A. Okay. Now let's look at a real life problem that we can solve using the sine rule. Okay. So a baseball is hit between the second and the third bases and it's caught at point B. As shown in the figure, how far away from the second base was the ball caught? So they want to know the distance here because they want to know from here, from this base, and this person caught the ball, what is the distance here? So we can see that, let me just label it as A and C. So we want side C. Okay, you can label it either way, you will get the same answer. So I will say C divided by sine C is equal to, which side do we have? Which other side do we have? Oh, let's go ahead and find angle B first because we have side B and we cannot find this angle without finding the side B. So before you can do this, you need to find the angle. And angle B will be given by, when we add all these angles, they give us 180. So angle B is equal to 180 minus 65 plus 43. Okay, so angle B will be equal to 72. Now we have this as 72. Let's go ahead and use the sine rule. So we will say, like I told you before, we will say C over sine C is equal to B over sine B. Okay, let's substitute. What is our C? Our C, it's the one that we are looking for, divided by sine 43. This is equal to our B, 27, divided by sine 72. So our C will be given by 27 sine 72 multiplied by sine 43. Okay, I don't know why I put equal 2 times there. All right, so C will be equal to, let's just put it in the calculator, 27 sine 72 multiplied by sine 43. This will give you 19.36. So let's say 19.4. Okay, so here it will be correct, a distance of 94. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the lesson. Go ahead and check the distance for the third side and let me know in the comment what is your answer. So for this one, I will not give you the answer. Please write the answer on your comment and I will let you know if you are correct or not. If you haven't subscribed, please press the subscribe button, like my videos, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you so much. Until next time, goodbye.